They say that the AR-15 5.56mm magazine-fed rifle, which can disperse 400 rounds per minute, only has one use. That's simply not true. Not only could it be one of the safest utensils in your home, it has many practical applications. Household chores. Hey, sweetie, I'm home. Oh, you're hanging that photo. That's so great. I was down at the coffee shop just a second ago.
Yeah.
And I was waiting in line, and Cheryl was sitting with a man I've never seen before. And she was drinking something different.
That's great,
strange
honey.
for her, and she didn't make eye contact with me.
I can't believe it.
Spending time with the kids.
Dad, can you give me a push? Yeah, sure, son.
And lonely nights.
Cliffy, don't look now. There are two chicks at the end of the bar staring at us.
You're crazy.
I'm telling you, they've been staring at us for at least 20 minutes. What, do we look weird or something?
Oh, you do.
Wait.
Why?
Turn the safety off.
Outside your mouth.
You can purchase your AR-15 from Chuck's Gunneria, Guns Make Me Hard, Second Amendment Avenue, Staples, My First Semi, Inner City Street Gangs, Interesting Steve at the Topeka, Kansas Greyhound Station, Stiff Glock, Bed Bath & Beyond. The Beyond is for guns, Walmart Supercenters, or wherever freedom is observed.